Hi guys, just a quick video. We're going to be using a Rover Pro Cut 560 and we're going to be changing the cog inside the gears. That's all you're going to need. 2 flathead screwdrivers, a hammer, a little socket to push a pin back over the axle when you're done, and the correct tool to remove the clip. That is a kit that will cost you in between $15 and $20 in total. I'll just sit you down here and we will get started. Alright. Small screwdriver in here. Pop that out. Straight off like that. Another small screwdriver in behind this clip. Pry it out just like that. Then get the big screwdriver in. Just twist it. Keep twisting around. And it pops off. Pull the wheel off like so. Here's your cogs here. I suggest cleaning everything. And I can see what I'm doing. Washer, pin inside the cogs there, just pull it all off together. And another washer at the back, that can stay on. One side is only for each side. As you can see, this one has a little L. Cog straight back on. Pin straight in. Washer on. New clip on. Put the wheel back on. New clip here. This is where I suggest just getting an old socket you don't mind bashing. Done. About 2 minutes that took. Hope that gave you an idea how easy it is. Thanks.